Exercise 7.6, mean. Mean is one of the central tendency, and you also write it this way, X bar, right? This is mean and you write it this way, mean. Okay? See the first question that is given to you. You have been given, I will tell you the formula how you will use it. Find the mean of the following data, right? And you have been given certain numbers, 87, 92, 63, 78, 92, 59, 72, 76. You have been given certain data and you have to find out mean. How you do it? That is the data that is given to you is of the, this is exercise 7.6 mean. You have given ungrouped data and you have been given certain numbers. You will make the column X and this column will be serial number. Right? You have to arrange the data from ascending to descending, that is from smaller number to the highest number. You have to do it. You cannot do it without arranging it. If you arrange it, it will be good. The question will look more clean. So the lowest number is 59, then 63, right? Then 66, right? Then you have 72, okay? Then you have 78. Alright, then you have 87. After 87 you have 92 and 92. These are the numbers given to you. You can write the serial number now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. These are the numbers given to you. You have to find out mean. See how you find out mean. Formula is X bar equals to total or summation, total of all observations or numbers, whatever you say. These are observations, right? Observations or numbers, right? Total of these numbers you will have divided by numbers or number of items. Right? You have total of all observations or numbers or divided by number of items. How you write it? What is the total means? 59. This total means of numbers is this. 59 plus 63 plus 66 plus 72 plus 78 plus 87 plus 92 plus 92. That will give you 609. Right? 609. Then you will have total of all observations and numbers is 609 divided by number of items. How many items are here? 8. So you will get 76.5 or you will have 76 point, they say any number across. Sometimes you get 1, 2, 5. Basically it could be anything. Whenever you have anything, just total it out. It could be anything, right? This is the formula of calculating mean. Mean, MEAN, mean. Uska jo hum represent karenge, that will be X bar. This is how you write X bar. Serial number, this is the X or the observations. Formula is X bar, total of all observations or numbers divided by number of items. You will add all these numbers divided by the number of items. You will get this, right? This was the first numerical of the exercise, right? Page 160. We will do the third numerical now. See, second numerical is all again the same, 34, 43. You will arrange the numbers that is given to you, 34, 43 in a number, because they have not asked you to group the data. So you will write it individually, right? So you will arrange the numbers and you will, what you will do, put a serial number 1, 2, 3, or you will have the frequency column, right? Now you will do the third numerical, please. We will do the third question. See third question, what it says. The mean of 7 numbers is 63. If 6 numbers are this, find the 7th number. You have been given mean of 6 numbers. See, what is the formula of mean? X bar equals to number of observations. What are the number of observations? 7. X1 plus X2 plus X3 plus X4 plus X5 plus X6 plus x7, you will have divided by what? Divided by 7. There are 7 numbers given to you, right? Or you can write it any other way. Put serial number, put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Either you do it this way, then you write everything 65, then you have what? 60, 70, 68. Arrange it and write it. Either you do this way. This is how you write. Now this is x1, this is x2, this is x3, x4 and x6, this is x7. So you add this plus this plus this plus this plus this plus this plus this and you divide it by 7. This is how I have written x1 plus x2 plus x3, x4, x5, x6, x7 divided by 7. Alright. Now see, they have given the mean. They ask you to find out x7. How you will do it? What is the mean given to you in the question? 63. And what is x1? x1 is the first number. As they have given the number, you have to write it that way. 65 plus next what is given? 70. Then 68. 65 plus 70 plus 68 plus 59 plus 73 plus 55 plus x7 is missing. Right? So you will write it as x7. This whole is divided by 7. Okay? You understood what I have written? You can write it and arrange it in any manner. But I have written the numbers as given. You have given 7 numbers. 7th number is missing. Other numbers I have put it that way. Mean is already given to you. This is what is the formula of mean. Sum of all observations divided by number. I have added up all the number divided by 7. You have to write 7 because there are 7 numbers. Now what you do? Cross multiply. 63 into 7 equals to 65 plus 70 plus 68 plus 59 plus 73 plus 55 will give you how much? 390 plus x7. This is missing, so you will write it as it is. 63 into 7 will give you how much? 441. 441 equals to 390 plus x7. Take 390 there. 441 minus 390. This is plus here. If it comes this side, it will become minus equals to x7. 441 minus 390 will give you how much? 51. So x7 equals to 51. This is the missing number, or this is the 7th number that you had to find out in the question. Next question of the same exercise. Now you see the 4th question. They have given average of monthly salaries 20 employees is 7650. Manager salary is added. Average increase by 550. What is manager salary? Same question they have given in the 5th also. We will solve the 5th numerical. You get the idea and you can solve the rest of the problems, right? 5th question they say mean weight of 25 students is 48. Mean weight of how many students they say? 25 students is 48. 25 students is 48. So what will be the total weight? How much? Total weight will be how much? Total will be mean into number. Right? Because the formula is what? X equals to total upon number. Or you can say this cross multiply mean into number equals to total. Right? So that is what I have written. Total weight equals to mean into number. Let's find out what all we can find out. Right? So that will be, total weight will be, mean is how much? 48. How many students? 25. So 48 into 25 will give you 1200. So total weight. Now what all you have got? You have got number of students 25. Total weight 1200. Mean weight 48. Okay. You have got these figures. Now what next? See next line. Mean weight of first 13 students is 50 kg. Right. Now they have given mean weight of first 13 students is how much they have given mean weight of first 30 students? They have given it as 50. So that will be, for how much is the mean weight? 50. How much is the number of students? 30. So total weight of first 30 students will be 50 into 13. Again, mean into number will give you how much? 15 into 30. 15 to 13. I'm sorry. 13 students 50. 15 to 13 will give you how much? 650. Right? Now next line they have given mean weight of last 13 students is 46 kg. Mean weight of last 13 students is how much? Mean weight of last 13 students is how much? 46 kg. This is all, please put the units. 46 kg. So total weight will be how much? Total weight of last 13 will be 46 into 13. 46 into 13 will be 598. 598. Alright. Now see what they have done is, you have the mean weight of total mean weight. You have first 13 students, last 13 students. They have asked you to find the weight of the 13th student. पहले बच्चे निकाल लिए. You have taken out the last students. What about the center student? What about the student who is at the center? This is the center student. There are certain students on this side. There are certain students on this side. So what is the weight of this particular student? So total you have found out this. Total you know the total of all the students. Total of this side, total of that side. Will you be able to do it? Yes. You add up the total of this side and that side and divide it by the whole. You will get the number of the student who is standing at the center, or the 13 students. So what is the 6650 plus 598 minus 1200? Right? So 650 plus 598 will give you 1248. 1248 minus 1200 will give you how much? 14 kgs. This is the weight of the total weight of the 13 student. See, you have to find, why I am finding out total, because at the end you have to find out the total weight of the 13 student, not the mean weight. See in the question what they say? Find the weight. Weight means you have to find out the total weight. So mean weight is given, then total weight you have to find out, then again mean weight given, you have to find out the total weight. Mean weight of last 13, you have found out the total weight of last 13. Add up, you have certain numbers. This is certain figures, right? You have certain figure here, certain numbers here, and you have certain numbers this side. You know the total of all this, right? And you know the total of this area, and you know the total of this area. So how you will find out? Total of this minus this and this, you will get this figure. So this is what I have done. Add this total plus this total minus the whole total will give you this, the number that is missing. So this was the fifth numerical. All the numericals, we have just left one or two numericals, and rest of the numericals are same. We will move on to the next exercise. Next exercise, that is 7.8, is mode. Now I will tell you what is mode and what is the difference between mean and mode that you have done. You have exercise 7.58 as mode, and that is represented as Z. You don't write mode, you can write Z also. It means the same, right? The abbreviation is given to you. Now you have done mean, that means X bar, and you have mode, that means Z. What do you mean, or what is the difference between mean and mode? Mean means one figure representing all other figures. Right? You have numbers given to you x1, x2, x3, x4, right? And you have frequency. This is 2, 4, 8, 12. And frequency 0, 2, 1, 4, 2. This is the frequency given to you, right? You have the numbers given to you and you have the frequency given to you. You can say this is observations, right? Now what you do is, you have one figure that is representing all the figures. You add it up. See, you add this up, you will get what are the observations? 2 and 4, 6, 8, 14, 14 and 12 will give you 26. And you have the frequency 6, 7, 8, 9, right? So you have numbers, one figure representing others. How you can say? Suppose you have serial number 1, 2, 3, 4 and you have observations as 12, 16, 10, 10. Right? So 12 plus 16, 28, 28 and 10, 38 and 10, 48. And you have 4 divided by 4. This is how you find. This is 12. Right? So you have one figure that is representing all the other figures, means 12 is representing all. See, all the other numbers are near 12. 16 is also near 12, 10 is also near 12. So 12 is the number that is appearing in between and it is representing the other numbers, right? All the other numbers are near 12. So this is how this is what you call as mean. So this is mean is 12. This is one figure representing the other figures. Now you talk about mode. What does the term mode means? Mode means which is common. Which is common. Mode means something which is very common or something which is in fashion is known as mode. How you say mode? Suppose you have the serial number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and you have the observations given to you, right? How many observations you have? You have 6, 6, 8, 10, 18. Right? Mode, which is common. Which number is common? You will not talk of serial number. Observation which is common? 6. So mode will be 6. Alright? So something which is common or something which is in fashion is 6. Similarly, suppose you have observation. This is individual series. That is serial number of observations. You don't have a frequency column. Next series you have frequency column. Suppose you have 6, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, right? Then you have 2 frequencies, 2, 8 is appearing 4 times, 10 is appearing 6 times and this is appearing once. So what is the mode here? How many times 10 is coming? 6. So instead of writing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, you write 10 as 6. It is just the same. So Z equals to 10. So something that is most in fashion or something which is common is known as mode. Let's do the exercise of mode. Mode, first question, you have exercise 7.8, page number 163. First question is given to you, find the mode of 27, 12, 18, 19, 18, 24 and 17. Please arrange the numbers. First question, please arrange the numbers. First column is observations or X, whatever you write it. Next column is frequency, right? Write up all the observations, arrange it. First you will have 12, then you will have 17. First is 12, then you will have 17, then you will have 18, then 19, then you will have 24 and 27. 24 and 27. Alright, these are the observations given to you. Now you talk about 12. How many times 12 given to you? 12 is given once. Write 1 before it. Right? Don't make tally marks. Tally marks was just to explain you how the thing is done. Right? Then you have 17. How many times 17 is given to you? Once. So you will write 1 against it. 18 is given to you how many times? 18 is given to you thrice. 3 times. You will write 3 here. 19 is given to you how many times? 19 is given once. 24 is also given once. And 27 is also given once. So which number is appearing most of the times? 18. How many times? 3. So what you will write? Z equals to 18, not 3. You will talk of the observations. So Z equals to 18. This is how you will solve the first question. Let's move on to the second one. Second question, it says find the mode of the numbers 18, 14, 22, 23, 14, 18, 17, 18, 28, 14, 25 and 14. Arrange the numbers first of all. This is the second question of your exercise. Arrange the numbers. First column will be observations, right? Second will be frequency, right? So observations, arrange it. Which number will come first? 14 is smaller. That will come first. Then you will have 17. Then you will have 18. Any other number then? 19 you don't have. 20 you don't have. 21 you don't have. 22 you have. Then you have 23. And you have 24. No, you have 25. Then 26, 27, 28 you have. 28 you have, right? Now see how many times 14 is coming. Once, twice, thrice and 4 times. See how many times 14 is appearing in the question. You have 14 4 times. So you will write frequency as 4. See how many times 17 is appearing. You have just once. 17 is coming only one time. 18 1 2 3. 18 is coming 3 times, right? Then you have 22. 22 is coming once. 22 is coming once. What about 23? 23 is 1. 23 is 1 again. 25. 25 is also seen once. 28. 28 you can see have 1, 2. Twice you have 28. Twice you have 28. Right? So how many times, which number has the highest frequency? Which observation? 14. So your answer will be Z equals to 14. Alright? So you will first arrange the numbers in the ascending order, that is from lowest number to the highest number. See how many times it's appearing, and then you will find out like Z equals to 14, that is mode equals to 14 because 14 is coming 4 times. Rest of the numbers are just coming once, twice or thrice. Let's move on to the next numerical. Question number 3. You have next numerical number 3. You have ages of the employees of a company are given below. You have age in years is given to you 22, 23, 25, 19, 21 and 27, right? You have number of employees given to you as 14, 19, 17, 27, 12 and 15, right? Just see how you do it. You just have to see the highest number that's being given to you. What given in the question? You have age in years given. Age is given and you have the frequency given or the number of employees. You have 22, you have 23, 25, 19, 21 and 27. And frequency is 14, 19, 17, 27, 12 and 15. Right? So which has the highest number? Which number is coming? 19 is coming the maximum number of times. So Z equals to 19 years. Right? Z is 19 years because age is given in years. You are finding out in the observation table. So it will be, the units will also be expressed of the observation table. Next question is question number 4. The heights of the students are given 141, 142, 144, 145, 148 and 150. You have number of students 7, 11, 10, 12, 20 and 13. 1, 3. So see which number is getting the maximum frequency. Maximum frequency is got by 148, that is 20 students. So 20 students have the height of 148 meters. So 148, the answer will be Z equals to 148 meters. Switch on to the fifth question. Fifth question, how it will be solved? You have weight is given to you in kg, right? Weight is given to you in kg, and next is given to you as number of students. Again, number of students, or you can also say frequency is given, right? So weight is given in kg and frequency is given. You have weight as 60, 56, 53, 50 and 47. Number of students you have as 4, you have 2, you have 2 again, then you have 3 and you have 4. Now you have 2 that is coming twice, 4 that is coming twice. What according to you is the answer? You see the maximum. 4 is appearing, leave 2 because 2 is a smaller number, leave 2. You see 4 is coming twice. For what? 60 and 47. So answer will be 47 kgs and 60 kgs. So you have 2 modes as the answer, right? Next is the sixth question. Sixth is the marks obtained by students are as follows. Find the mode. Marks are given as 13, 17, 19, 21, 25. And number of students 3, 11, 22, 10 and 4. See how many students have got. 3 students have got 13 marks, 11, 17 marks. 22 students have got 19 marks. 10 students have got 21 marks. And 4 students have got 25 marks. So there are highest number of students is 22. So Z, your mode will be what? 19 marks, right? So this is how you find out mode. So 19 marks is your mode. This was exercise 7.8. We did mean, we did 7.8. I'll just brush up.